Hey guys, for this video, we're going to check out the Year of the Horse 2026 Special Edition. Let's go! Alright, so let's open the box. Now let's first talk about the cowl. Now this is color red and made from ABS resin. Okay. Then next, let's talk about the chassis. This is color white. This is a Super 2 or S2 chassis. Okay. And same material is ABS resin. Okay. Now let's talk about the tires. This is a large size, slick type, and color, it's clear. As you can see, it's narrow, wide. Okay. Next, let's talk about the rims. This is a large size, 6-spoke, and color, this is a matte gold plated. Okay. And as you can see, it's a narrow, wide style. Okay. All right, next, let's talk about the internals. Now, this is color gold, and as you can see, there's the motor catch, motor cover, switch, lock, and the rear part of the chassis, and also we have the 30mm rollers. Okay. Moving on, this pack includes a 5:1 gear ratio, a stock motor, propeller shaft, Tamiya grease, screw, nuts, and everything. All right. Next, we have the animal figure, which is the horse, and it's color white. Then we have the manual, and last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome.
Now this kit is available at the Autic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City. Visit us and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.